Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell and show you how you can easily download offline maps to your Google Maps, whether you have an iPhone or Android. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments, and let's get to our topic. First, you will need to find Google Maps on your phone and open it. At the top in the right-hand corner, you'll need to tap on your image to go to your Google profile. And this is where you'll find offline maps. Click on that. And next you'll see the terrain and the map that you already have downloaded. This is a map of your area where you live or where you are most often. If you click on it, you can see the map here. Also, what can you do with it? You can update it at any time, for example, so that you can see more of it. You can also delete it if you wish. If you want to download an offline map to some other location, then you will have to click here to select some map to download. Then with the help of such movements, you can select the terrain that you would like to download. And then you click download. This is going to take some time. As you can see, now the map of the terrain that I have selected, it is downloading. At the bottom, you can also see the percentages. For example, mine has already downloaded almost 20%. So you can control this process and understand how long it will take for this map to be downloaded. And after it will be loaded, you will be able to easily enter it and look at the terrain. So that's the simple way that you can download offline maps to your Google Maps, to your iPhone, and also to your Android. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write your comments, put your likes, and see you soon.